Today we will learn how to make this type of collage animation in Fusion page of DaVinci Resolve. So, let's open DaVinci Resolve. This seems complicated, but in few minutes, I will make everything easy. You can check description to get this image to follow along this tutorial. So let's start by creating a new Fusion composition and add it onto the timeline. Open it in Fusion page. First of all, search for paper background in the effect library. Connect this to the media out. In the inspector panel, we can customize this background. But I will copy and paste the background that I have already created. You can note these values to get similar background. Now add the main image from the media pool. And merge this image here. You can use any free tool to remove the background and use separate images. But I will use Mask to remove the background. You can skip this part if you are using separate PNG for each object in the image. Add a Polygon Mask to the blue input of this image. See this image in the left preview window. We can turn off the Polygon node to see the image. Firstly, draw a mask around this newspaper. I am drawing quickly for this tutorial, but you have to draw a perfect mask. Now turn on the Polygon node, and see our first object is masked. Let's increase the soft edge, just a little bit. Add a transform node to animate the newspaper. On the frame 50, add a keyframe on the center position and angle. Now on the very first frame, move the position of the image to right side like this. And also rotate it using this angle option. Make sure, it should be out of the scene. The animation will look like this. Now at the frame 90, add a keyframe on center. And at the frame 115, move it to the left side like this. So, the newspaper will come in from the right side, holds for few frames and goes out towards the left side. Now open the spline and make the animation smoother. Let me turn off the angle for now. We will make this in animation smoother. Select both points and press S on the keyboard. Or change the shape of curve like this. Now for the ending animation, select these points and press S on the keyboard. And it's done. Now search and add a camera shake node. And in the inspector, note and use these values for the exact same swing or shake effect. You can see this little movement of the newspaper. Now search and add a stop motion node. Increase its value to 6. This effect will repeat the frames and then it will seem like the video is made by combining several images. Now copy and paste all these nodes. And merge these in the pipeline. Now use your second image if you have separate images. But I will just draw the mask again on the second object. You can see the second object is added. Now we need to adjust the animation of second object. Select the transform node and on the very first frame, move its position to another location. Maybe towards the left side. So, in this way you can add more objects and animate them. And your node graph will look like this. After that, add a film damage node. And use these settings. Let me copy-paste the film damage node I already created. You can use these settings or do some experiments for better results. At last, I added this zoom effect. Just turn on this dynamic zoom. One thing more. Keep all of the camera shake nodes little bit different, so that the shake effect does not look similar on all the objects. Don't forget to check out my documentary style editing course. See you in another tutorial. Thanks.